That's exactly the point.
Baby shower gift.
This man is a freelance psychopath, and I'm the only one in a position who can do anything about it.
Our baby shower. This is our gift received for our baby shower with mom and sister Corey.
As far as I know, they weren't selling nuclear secrets to anyone who can write a check. If the price is right fee, Gilroy will put anything on the table.
Which makes this little rendezvous not a very good idea.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rose, and today is our baby shower through Zoom of my mother-in-laws and sister-in-law and the mother of my sister-in-law. So this is the gift, guys, that I received for today. Baby shower, guys, and so nice and very elegant. This is the gift from my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law, and then the mother-in-law of my sister, guys. So this is so cute. I hope the baby will fit everything the gift, and I like the books that my sister-in-law give to me. This, guys, this is a nice book, guys. Sorry for my hair. This is the book, guys, that my sister-in-law gave, and she also gave the organic baby food. This recipe book for the baby, and this is the stuff that my mother-in-law paint. So it's cute. And there are three, guys, because my mother-in-law is very excited for my baby. So there's a lot of gifts, guys, here. And this is a handmade gift. That's so cute. And that stuff is from my sister-in-law, and this is the memory book that from my mother-in-law, and this is the stuff from my sister-in-law, and this is the stuff of my mother-in-law, and there's a lot, guys. So hope my baby fit this, guys. Ta-da! It's cute. That's my sister, my mother-in-law, Mom Renata, gave this. And this one, this is the cover. This is very cute too. Yes, this is the matching, guys, and the headband of the baby. My sister-in-law and my mom is so excited. And this gift from the Mom Faye, the mother of my sister-in-law, the mother-in-law of my sister. So this is handmade, guys. This washable, washable, and then very cute, guys. So nice. I'm so excited for my baby. And the hat. There's different sizes of the hat, guys. This is handmade, and this one also, guys. So cute. think my baby is love it. And my baby is so cute. And this is also good my together of this of my sisters and mother-in-law. So cute. And dress it and get the attention of the baby. So this is the toy and this is the storybook. And the storybook we can also get the attention for a baby. So it's very cute, the storybook, guys. And there's a mirror, there's a princess and a mermaid. So it's very cute. And this one too, it's cute. And this one, I love this one, guys. This is the my mother-in-law made this. So cute. And this, I like this recipe book from my sister-in-law, Sister Cory, and then the books from my sister Cory, and then the 4-in-1 converter toddler. This is the you carry the baby, guys, if you're not comfortable. This is the Amazon card my sister-in-law gave us, so it's help us for also. And this is nice, guys, for a baby. And this is from my mother-in-law, Mom Renata. This is cute. I will get the rubber. You get rubber because I'm not distracted. And this is from my sister-in-law. It's a Victoria's Secret, guys. When I go in the hospital, I put this one. One baby. And this one is from my sister-in-law, mom and dad, for me and for my husband. So cool to welcome my baby. And then it's a wine, so we drink this, guys, when baby is born. This is bath bobbers, guys, for when the baby give a bath. So it's so cute. This is from my sister-in-law. Oh, that's cute shoes. This is cute. This is nice. Not so girly. This is from my sister-in-law. And this is from my mother-in-law. The headband for the baby. And this is so cool, guys. This is from my sister-in-law. This is a plastic trash bag. This is a trash bag, guys. And this is you put in the stroller. So we put in when the diaper, we change diaper for the baby, you get some of here, so it's not so dirty, guys. So you put the diaper in the trash can. This is cute, guys. This is the idea of my sister-in-law, and this is the refill and the holder. So you can put also in the bag. So when you go with the baby and the mall, so you have this one. So cute. And this is the baby bag. That's so cute. There's this one, guys. We have this small bag organizer, and can put the baby stuff over here. Here also. And then I have pads, the changing pads. It's cute. Then you can put also your bag here. So it's much to the baby. And your wallet, so one bag only you can bring, and then you can put your bigger one or baby bottle, and put your also your wipes, diapers. And here you can put also here towel, this towel you can put this side. It's so cute. And then my mother-in-law gifts. I will put the food of my baby. So cute. It's nice. And then memory book for the baby. I like the verse in the memory book, guys. I like this one. The memory book, like the verse, I prayed for this child and the Lord answered my prayer. This is true, guys. I prayed for our baby. This is our baby memory book. So excited. I want to put everything here. Picture, grandma, uncles, aunts, and you can put the picture of the baby. You put everything here for the baby. So cute. There's a hospital bracelet you put here. Awesome. My mother-in-law is very good choice of the memory book, guys. So I love it. And I love my baby, guys. Excuse me. It's very nice. So do you have a memory for the baby? I will keep this. When my baby grow, you have a memory book. So I will bring this, guys, in the hospital. And then I'm done with that. This is the clothes from my sister-in-law. Oh, it's very cute, guys. Look, it's matching. It's very cool. I love this design. And also this one, guys, is when month old. You can put this one. Yes, this is from my sister-in-law. You put this and like that. And how many old your baby wants.
Hello?
Complete.
Hello?
guys. It's so cute. I love this because I have a baby clothes though. It's a nice honey day. And this is the dog. This is from my sister, all clothes. This is cute. I like this, guys. So cute. This is for my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law is very adorable, choosing things. She's stylist, artist, so this is cool. And I love my baby. This is a towel. This is useful, guys, if you have a baby. It's adorable. This is cute. This is a swaddle. Baby sleep. Put it. Very nice, guys. This is the baby chair. This is the one, guys. You see it? This is a baby chair. So this is the baby when you go out or travel. Yeah. We have a picnic. This is from my sister-in-law. Like that, guys. With this. The baby will eat. That so cute. Thankful my sister-in-law, very nice, very kind. She loved my baby, guys. And my brother-in-law, so cute. Love my baby. And thank you for watching, guys. And I'm happy for the baby shower for today. And I hope you like and subscribe my channel, guys. I'm a newly mom, so I hope you enjoy, and those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you to all my friends who support and subscribe my channel and watch my video. And I hope you love it also for me. Thank you. Have a good day.